We've seen how you can add subcategories to control the material and graphical appearance of common families in a project. However, you can also add material parameters to specific pieces of geometry in the family. So to do that, you go select these, say, 2 leg families. Under this material parameter, you can either change the material in the project, in the family, but it means you can't then change it when you load it into the project. Alternatively, you can associate a family parameter, which allows you to then change it inside the project. So click on the button here. Again, you get the associate family parameter. There are none available, so you create a new one. So we'll create one called leg material at the type level, and it'll go under materials and finishes. And it's a material type of parameter because that's the only one that it can be. So click OK. We can create a worktop parameter. And then we can create a partition parameter. Material parameter. So we can load these into the project, overwrite, and you can see now if I click on edit type, we have these 3 parameters. By category means that the material will be defined by the category or the subcategory, hence why it's still showing as it is. However, we can now select for this type, we can pick a material that's different. So we could have a metal legs, we could have just a plastic partition, and then a softwood material worktop. Click OK, and you can see how the material changes, whereas the family defined by the subcategory is still the same. And if we were to move this out here, change the type, click on edit type, again you'll see how these, because it's a different type, they have different, it's not been defined yet, so we can then go and define something completely separate for the legs, the partition, and then the worktop. There you go. So that's how to then override the materials of the geometry with specific values for those types.